Hi friends, welcome to this channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you and tell you how you can fix Gmail in a situation where you don't get a confirmation code on your message. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video, and let's get to our topic. And first of all, I want to say that it's quite common and it's a problem when let's say, you want to log into your Gmail and you don't get a confirmation code on your message. And that can prevent you from logging in and cause you discomfort. And to begin with, to fix this situation, I suggest you your iPhone. To swipe from the top to the bottom right side of the screen to go to Control Center. And then select Do Not Disturb. And then let it stay in that mode for a few seconds. After that, you will turn off this mode. Then go to Phone Settings, scroll down until you find Messages. And here turn off iMessage. Also let iMessage stay like this for a few seconds, maybe half a minute, then you can re-enable it. In this way, you'll update the connection between messages and your data. And also, if you scroll down to the bottom of your messages, I suggest you also turn on the option to receive messages from unknown senders. That way you will be able to receive messages from unknown senders. This will allow you to receive notification messages from, for example, Gmail. Friends, this is the way you can quickly fix the situation if you don't receive a confirmation code and SMS from Gmail. I hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, don't forget to put likes, and see you soon.